So I hate on Facebook and YouTube. I've got to go out and it's pouring it down with rain, look at that. So I'm going to go out in that. I'm going to wave it, I've got to go to buy something, I've got £20 in. And then if this person needs to see me, I've got to go and see them as well. So I'll vlog back in a bit. Wish me luck where I'm going. Bye. Here we go. Lovely weather for ducks. You're having a laugh, right? Right. Over there. That's where we need to go. So, I'm running like mad. Oh fuck! Oh, just what I need. Oh, you missed that. The car came for a puddle and wet me and some people stood at the traffic lights. So I'm here now. I'm gonna buy what I need, then go home because I'm not going anywhere else because it's raining. Oh.